Now we will learn about the structure of the periscope. As in the diagram or in the picture you had seen here, the two mirrors which are placed in such a manner so that they are 45-degree angles, and here is the long tube through which the light will pass. So it is a device which gives us a higher view than the normal. So it consists of two mirror as I had said and a long tube. These two mirrors are tilted at two ends and arranged parallel to each other. See, these are parallel to each other and their reflecting surfaces facing each other with the 45-degree angle with the side of the tube. There are also two holes in the periscope, one hole in the front of a top mirror and another hole is in the front of the bottom mirror. What is the application? What is the use? We will learn now. So, how does a periscope work? Basically, the periscope works on the principle of reflection of light from two plane mirrors. Okay, if you can remember the pictures, these two plane mirrors are here at an angle to each other, and the reflection of light on them by which the periscope works. Now, for example, if there is a tree behind a high wall which we cannot see but we have to see, so we can see this with the help of the periscope. The upper hole of the periscope is turned towards the object to be seen. So, this suppose here is the object, so it is placed in such a manner that the upper hole is of the periscope is turned towards the object to be seen. We look into the periscope through the bottom hole in front of the lower mirror. See this one. This is the bottom hole. So we our eyes here is placed here. The light rays coming from the tree fall on the top plane mirror. The light rays coming from the trees are falling into the top mirror. This Now the top mirror reflects these rays of light towards the bottom mirror. What happens? The light rays are coming from this object. After this, it's getting reflected, coming through this way, again fall into this mirror. It's getting reflected here, and we can see the object. This is, in nutshell, this is the working principle. That is, the light rays coming from the tree fall on the top mirror. Top mirror reflects these rays of light towards the bottom mirror, and this bottom mirror reflects that light towards the eye. So, the light rays are coming from the tree, enter the eyes. It is possible to see the image of the tree in the lower mirror, although the tree cannot be seen directly. Again, if we are going back to the picture from here, directly we cannot see the tree. So, with the help of this periscope or help of the principle of reflection which has taken place in this mirror and in this mirror, after the both the reflections we can see the object. So this is how the periscope works, and this is how the structure of the periscope is situated.